Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy, AI Evolution, back with another video. And this one is all about pushing the boundaries of your knowledge because we're diving deep into the world of artificial intelligence. Now, AI is everywhere these days, from the apps on your phone to the algorithms recommending this very video. It's changing the game in every industry imaginable. So whether you're just curious about AI or you're looking to make a career out of it, understanding the basics is crucial. That's why I've compiled a list of the absolute best YouTube channels out there, dedicated to breaking down complex AI topics into digestible, engaging content. We're talking channels that cater to every learning style, from in-depth tutorials to quick explainers and everything in between. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and get ready to supercharge your AI knowledge. Let's jump right into it. First up, we've got 2-Minute Papers, a channel that consistently delivers on its promise, breaking down the latest and greatest AI research papers into concise, easy-to-understand videos. This channel is a treasure trove for anyone looking to stay updated with the fast-paced world of artificial intelligence without feeling overwhelmed. Trust me, these guys are the masters of simplification without sacrificing the core concepts. They take the time to ensure that even the most intricate details are explained in a way that makes sense to both beginners and seasoned professionals. What I really dig about 2-Minute Papers is their ability to visualize complex ideas. They don't just talk about the concepts, they show them in action, which is incredibly helpful for visual learners. They use clear animations and graphics to illustrate how AI algorithms work, making it way easier to grasp those aha moments. These visual aids are not just eye-catching, but also serve as excellent tools for understanding the mechanics behind the technology. Plus, their videos are super engaging, even if you're not a hardcore tech enthusiast. The way they present information keeps you hooked from start to finish, making learning about AI a fun experience. They cover a wide range of topics, from computer vision and natural language processing to robotics and deep learning. This diversity ensures that there's something for everyone, no matter what aspect of AI you're interested in. So, whether you're interested in how AI is being used to create realistic 3D models or how it's helping diagnose diseases, 2-Minute Papers has got you covered. Their content is not only informative, but also showcases the real-world applications of AI, making it relevant and practical. If you're looking for a channel that can keep you up to date on the latest advancements in AI research without getting bogged down in jargon, then 2-Minute Papers is a must subscribe. They make complex topics accessible and enjoyable, ensuring you stay informed and entertained. But 2-Minute Papers isn't just about abstract research. They also do a fantastic job of showcasing how these cutting-edge AI technologies are being applied in the real world. From the latest advancements in machine learning to the practical applications of neural networks, they cover it all. We're talking about everything from self-driving cars that navigate busy city streets with ease, to personalized medicine that tailors treatments to individual patients. AI-powered art and music generation are also making waves, creating pieces that are both innovative and inspiring. They do a great job of connecting the dots between the theoretical and the practical, showing you how these algorithms are actually being used to solve real-world problems. For instance, AI is being used to predict natural disasters, optimize supply chains, and even combat climate change. And let's be honest, that's what makes AI so fascinating in the first place: its potential to revolutionize the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. Imagine a future where AI assists in every aspect of our daily lives, from smart homes to intelligent personal assistants. What's more, 2-Minute Papers often features interviews with the researchers and developers behind these groundbreaking technologies. These experts provide valuable insights into the challenges and triumphs of developing AI, offering a behind-the-scenes look at their work. So, you get to hear firsthand from the people who are pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI. Their stories and experiences add a personal touch to the complex world of artificial intelligence, making it more relatable and understandable. Whether you're a student eager to learn, a professional looking to stay ahead in your field, or just someone who's curious about the future, 2-Minute Papers offers a captivating glimpse into the transformative power of artificial intelligence. It's a resource that not only educates but also inspires, showing us the endless possibilities that AI holds for the future. One of the things I appreciate most about 2-minute papers is that it serves as a gateway to deeper exploration. They provide links to the original research papers in the video descriptions, so if you're really intrigued by a particular topic, you can dive deeper and learn more. This is invaluable for students, researchers, or anyone looking to really get their hands dirty with AI. It's like having a curated list of the most important and interesting AI research, all in one place. Plus, they have a knack for explaining things in a way that makes you feel like you're part of the conversation, like you're right there in the lab with the researchers. It's not just about passively consuming information, it's about sparking your curiosity and encouraging you to explore further. So, if you're ready to embark on your own AI learning journey, make sure to hit that subscribe button on 2-minute papers. Trust me, your brain will thank you. Next up, we're switching gears from research papers to hands-on coding tutorials with Centex. If you're ready to roll up your sleeves and start building your own AI projects, this channel is an absolute goldmine. Centex is all about providing practical, step-by-step guidance on a wide range of AI topics, from the fundamentals of machine learning to advanced concepts like deep learning and reinforcement learning. And the best part? They primarily use Python, which is arguably the most popular programming language in the AI community. What sets Centex apart is their incredibly detailed and well-structured tutorials. They break down complex concepts into bite-sized chunks, making it easy to follow along and learn at your own pace. Plus, they provide all the code and resources you need to get started right away. So, whether you're a complete beginner or you have some coding experience under your belt, Centex has something to offer. Now let's talk about their machine learning tutorials. Centex has an extensive library of videos covering everything from supervised learning algorithms like linear regression and support vector machines to unsupervised learning techniques like clustering and dimensionality reduction. And they don't just stop at the theory, they walk you through real-world examples and projects so you can see how these algorithms are used in practice. We're talking about building things like spam filters, handwriting recognition systems, and even stock market prediction models. One of the things I appreciate about their approach is that they emphasize understanding the underlying concepts rather than just blindly applying code. They want you to not only know how to use these algorithms, but also why they work. This deeper understanding is crucial if you want to go beyond simply following tutorials and start developing your own custom AI solutions. But Centex doesn't just focus on machine learning. They also have some pretty awesome tutorials on deep learning, which is a subfield of machine learning that's been making waves in recent years. Think image recognition, natural language processing, and even self-driving cars. These are all powered by deep learning algorithms. And Centex does a fantastic job of demystifying this complex topic, making it accessible to anyone willing to put in the effort. They have dedicated playlists on popular deep learning frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch, so you can get up to speed with the latest tools and techniques used by industry professionals. And again, they emphasize practical application, so you'll be building your own deep learning models in no time. Alright, moving on to our third pick for AI learning, we have Tech with Tim. Now, if you're someone who learns best by actually getting your hands dirty with code and building stuff, this channel is definitely for you. Tim, the guy behind the channel, is all about practical projects and tutorials. He breaks down complex AI concepts into digestible pieces and shows you how to apply them using Python. One of the things I really appreciate about Tech with Tim is his focus on project-based learning. He walks you through building things like AI games, chatbots, and even image recognition systems all from scratch. And the best part is, he explains every step of the way. So even if you're a beginner, you won't feel lost. His videos are well-paced, the code is clean and well-documented, and he's just a really good teacher overall. Section 3, From Beginner to Advanced. Whether you're just starting out with AI or you have some experience under your belt, Tech with Tim has something for you. He's got playlists for complete beginners, covering the fundamentals of Python and AI libraries like TensorFlow and PyTorch. But he also dives into more advanced topics like machine learning algorithms, deep learning architectures, and even some cutting-edge stuff like reinforcement learning. So, if you're ready to go beyond the theory and start building real AI projects, definitely check out Tech with Tim. Alright, so you're interested in AI, but you want more than just the basics, right? You don't just want to skim the surface, you want to dive deep into the intricacies and nuances of artificial intelligence. You want to go deep, explore the bleeding edge, maybe even ponder the philosophical implications. You want to understand how AI is shaping our world and what the future holds. Well, that's where Lex Fridman comes in. Lex is not just another tech enthusiast. He's a seasoned AI researcher with a knack for making complex topics accessible. Lex Fridman's channel is all about those deep dives. He delves into the heart of AI, exploring its many facets and implications. He's an AI researcher himself, working at MIT, so he's got the chops to really get into the nitty-gritty of these complex topics. His academic background gives him a unique perspective that you won't find just anywhere. But what makes his channel so compelling is his interview style. Lex has a way of engaging his guests that brings out the best in them. He's not afraid to ask the tough questions, to challenge his guests, and to really push the boundaries of what we talk about when we talk about AI. His interviews are thought-provoking and often go beyond the usual talking points. Plus, he manages to get some seriously big names on his show. We're talking Elon Musk, Mark Zuckerberg, and other pioneers in the tech industry. Even Kanye West has made an appearance. These high-profile guests bring their own unique insights and perspectives, making each episode a must-watch. So if you're ready to level up your understanding of AI and hear from the biggest names in the game, make sure to check out Lex Fridman's channel. It's a treasure trove of knowledge and inspiration. Trust me, your watch list will thank you. Dive in, explore, and let your curiosity lead the way. Now, you might be thinking, okay, interviews are cool and all, but what about the actual AI stuff? Don't worry, Lex has got you covered there too. His channel isn't just about big names and philosophical debates. He also dives into the technical side of things, discussing things like deep learning, autonomous vehicles, and the future of artificial intelligence. And he does it in a way that's engaging and accessible, even if you're not a coding whiz. One thing that sets Lex apart is his ability to connect the dots between seemingly disparate fields. He'll seamlessly transition from a conversation about self-driving cars to the ethics of artificial consciousness, showing you the bigger picture and how all these pieces fit together. It's this kind of holistic approach that makes his channel so valuable. You're not just learning about AI in isolation, you're seeing how it intersects with every aspect of our lives, from technology and culture to philosophy and the very nature of consciousness. Honestly, watching Lex Fridman's channel feels like taking a peek into the future. He's constantly exploring the cutting edge of AI research, interviewing the people who are shaping the field, and asking the questions that will define our future. Whether you're a seasoned AI enthusiast or just starting to dip your toes into the world of machine learning, Lex's channel has something for you. He's got that rare ability to make complex topics understandable and engaging, without sacrificing intellectual depth. So if you're ready to expand your mind, challenge your assumptions, and join the conversation about the future of AI, then hit that subscribe button on Lex Fridman's channel. You won't regret it. And hey, who knows, maybe you'll even be inspired to create your own AI breakthroughs one day. Okay, so you've got a handle on the basics, you've explored the depths with Lex, now it's time to stay up to date with the ever-evolving world of AI. And for that, there's no better channel than Cold Fusion. Think of Cold Fusion as your one-stop shop for all things AI news and trends. They cover everything from the latest breakthroughs in machine learning to the ethical implications of artificial intelligence. And they do it with a level of detail and insight that's hard to find elsewhere. What sets Cold Fusion apart is their ability to take complex stories and break them down into digestible chunks without dumbing things down. They're not afraid to get into the weeds, but they always do it in a way that's engaging and informative. So, Whether you're interested in the latest developments in natural language processing or you want to know how AI is being used to combat climate change, Cold Fusion has got you covered. Now you might be thinking, okay, but there are tons of channels out there that cover tech news. What makes Cold Fusion so special? And you know what? That's a fair point. But here's the thing. Cold Fusion goes beyond just reporting the headlines. They actually take the time to dive deeper, to explore the implications of these developments, and to provide context that you won't find anywhere else. They're not afraid to tackle the tough questions, to challenge the status quo, and to spark meaningful conversations about the role of AI in our lives. And they do it all with a healthy dose of skepticism and a commitment to journalistic integrity. It's this kind of thoughtful, nuanced approach to AI news that makes Cold Fusion such a valuable resource. They're not just telling you what's happening, they're helping you understand why it matters. Look, in the world of AI, things move fast, like really fast. New breakthroughs are happening all the time, and it can be tough to keep up. But with Cold Fusion, you don't have to worry about falling behind. Their channel is your one-stop shop for staying informed about all the latest developments in the world of artificial intelligence. Whether it's a new algorithm that's changing the game, a groundbreaking research paper, or a thought-provoking ethical debate, Cold Fusion will have you covered. So if you're serious about staying ahead of the curve in the world of AI, do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button on Cold Fusion. Trust me, your brain will thank you. And hey, maybe you'll even be inspired to create the next big AI breakthrough yourself. The future is unwritten, and it's powered by knowledge. So there you have it, 5 incredible YouTube channels that will take your understanding of AI to the next level. Whether you're a complete beginner or a seasoned pro, there's something here for everyone. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video and subscribe for more awesome AI content. And be sure to let me know in the comments which channel is your favorite and why. Until next time, keep learning, keep exploring, and stay curious.